Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new vlog and it's a new location as well. So I am at the new Bangalore airport and look at this airport guys, it's so pretty. ऐसा लग रहा है किसी international airport में आ गए. I really love the look and feel of this airport. बहुत बड़ा तो नहीं है बट येस जितना भी है बहुत सुंदर बनाया है. लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर. यहाँ पे काफ़ी बड़े बड़े ब्रांड्स दिख रहे हैं मुझे. ओके, हेयर इज टिम हॉर्टन्स. आई एम एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग टू ईट. सो अभी तो मुझे टिम हॉर्टन्स दिखा है लेकिन आगे चल के देखते हैं कि आगे और क्या क्या है एंड देन आई विल डिसाइड what and from where to eat. So shopping के लिए भी you have so many options but I don't want to shop today. I have a flight to catch where I'll tell you. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, meanwhile अभी सुबह के बज रहे हैं 7 and I am looking for something to eat for breakfast. So I found this South Indian place and I have ordered a poha for myself. It was pretty decent, not bad. And yeah, here I have reached my hotel after the long flight. Well, it was not that long, but yeah. Hello from a new room, from actually a hotel this is. And yeah, I will be staying here for few days and here is my luggage and this is a room tour. काफी spacious room hai guys, pretty good. By the way, this hotel we have booked in Thane and I will be staying in Thane for few months. So yeah, that's how it is and I like the room actually. Hello guys, I took a good nap and I'm charged up and I was feeling so hungry. Okay, so as you saw, I have reached Mumbai and right now I'm staying in Thane in this hotel. I have come here for some work and yeah, I have ordered some good food for myself from Blue Tokai. I was so hungry. Let me show you what I got. I ordered some pasta, bread, some coffee and I have some sandwiches over here अगर मुझे रात को और भूख लगे. So yeah, so I thought of going out earlier but मुझे इतनी नींद आ रही थी, आलस आ रहा था कि I was like let's order in the room itself and let's chill and watch some Netflix. That's the plan. I will explore the area on Sunday. Sunday मेरे पास खाली है, free day है. I will explore this place and let's see what all Mumbai or Thane has got. Yeah, so अभी तो chill करने का plan है, but in coming days I would want to explore Bandra, Powai, Marine Drive. So let's see what all Mumbai has got for me. And yeah, stay tuned. I will take you along with me. Yes, and now let me have my food. Hello, Catty. Hello. Aww. Hello. Meow. कौन करेगा खेली खेली? कौन करेगा खेली खेली मेरे साथ? आजा, आजा, आजा. आजा, 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 आजा. ओए गंदी लड़की. लड़की लड़का? लड़का. वो दूध पी रहा है? हाँ. आजा, 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 आजा. आओ, यो, 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 यो. ओ, यो, यो, यो. ओली बाबली, ओली बाबली, ओली बाबली. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, 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 hi. Good, good. सारी लिपस्टिक लग गई. देखो लिपस्टिक लग गई सारी लिपस्टिक लग गई. कितने साल का है ये? महीनों का? 5 महीने का. ओए बाबली. हम तो बहुत. He is a rescued cat. और अभी हम इसको यहाँ रखे. वो देखो. ये दूसरी वाली मैं आपको मिलवाती हूँ. रुको. ये कर रही है जंपो. जंपो कर रही है. ये. हाँ जी. हाँ जी. हाँ जी. This is the mother एंड दिस इज द सन. इन दोनों को हमने रेस्क्यू किया है. आई मीन मेरी फ्रेंड ने रेस्क्यू किया है. सो या, एंड दे सो क्यूट. बाबा, दिस फॉर यू. बाबा, बाबा वही चाहिए. बाबा, दिस इज फॉर यू. बाबा, बाबा डजंट वांट.
बाबा
New toy. Yes. Good boy, good boy. So cute. अब दोनों अपने अपने टॉय लेके. अब कोई नहीं लड़ेगा.
Really? Oh, really?
अब कोई नहीं लड़ेगा.
थैंक यू सो मच for this.
अरे अभी तो मैं इनको और कवर करूंगी. रुको. There is one ball which we have for Benji. I'll get that. So guys, this is me few days later walking outside Jalsa. So the plan is कि जुहू explore करते हैं. So मैंने एक ऑटो लिया and I put the location as Jalsa. I thought यहीं से शुरुआत करते हैं. So let's see how this place is. And yeah, the weather was also pretty good. This is the backside of Jalsa and I really like these roads. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Reminds me of Delhi somehow. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, let's go. The plan is to go to the beach and yeah, just chill in the evening. Okay, so I don't know मैं क्या सोच के गई थी, but yeah, काफ़ी भीड़ थी guys. This is not even half of the crowd, which I actually did not capture. I walked to the place जहाँ less crowd था, but yeah, too overcrowded. So this is me sweating all around because I took around a 3-kilometer walk, which I really enjoyed. But yes, बहुत भीड़ होने की वजह से I wanted to go from here. I really couldn't enjoy the way I thought I would, but yeah, nonetheless saw the sunset. And now let's go and eat something. So now I'm here at पृथ्वी कैफ़े and I want to eat something. हालांकि काफ़ी waiting था guys. Till then I wanted to explore some books out here and they had quite a good collection of books. So yeah, let me do some time pass over here till my number comes. So I ordered a pav bhaji जो कि बहुत ही average था. I didn't like it honestly. No, I will not recommend this क्योंकि मेरे को तो बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आया ये पाव भाजी खा के. मैंने इससे बेटर पाव भाजी खाया है. But in the end I also had ordered a Oreo shake for myself जो कि बहुत टेस्टी था. So if you come to पृथ्वी कैफ़े, do order their Oreo shake. ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. And yeah, that's it. We come to end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching guys.